trash you right here. Fucking show him. Get you. Here it comes. Ooh, get some. Woo! Oh gosh, my rudder's like donuts. My elevator's all messed up too.
Who should I be following here?
Whoever you feel like. Whoever's more exciting. Whoever you love more. Whatever.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mine burst into flame. I think it's
Oh, hello, power lines. I think my rudder is a little... That's not helping. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Where the hell are you? I'm floating. I'm floating. You see this, Shelby?
I see it.
Oh god. Oh god, no airspeed. Oh gosh. God, there's all things wrong with my plane.
Meanwhile, George is just buzzing away over there.
Hate you, George. Fuck you. You flying below the wind? Is that the trick?
No, it's just sliding into it. Put the throttle back.
What's going on with my plane? Ooh. Yeah. Having to level in. Can't tell how much of that is my rudder, like my vertical stabilizer, and how much is...
Go figure.
What's the window for?
Yeah, really. Ooh, come on. Put some I got it.
It's really gonna be an epic crash at the end of this.
You'd never say that when I'm in the air. It's gotta be some kind of bad luck. Do pilots believe in bad luck?
No.
Okay. Never mind that. You can say it all you want. I'm just too awesome to crash.
Crunch.
Kill you, George. Fucking kill you. I'm taking you down with me. You and your explosive lipo. The box said 3D Cessna, right? Okay.
How long do your batteries go for? I've been recording for 3 minutes and 14 seconds.
Oh, we got plenty of time. Oh gosh.
Did your mom live over there?
No, nothing. Oh gosh. Oh fuck. I saw my wing like bend in half. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Come on, you like this. Oh. You suck. Why is your plane doing so much better than mine?
They crashed in a month.
Oh.
That worked.
Awesome. Couldn't take you down though.
When's the last time you did a roll?
I don't think ever with this plane. I haven't crashed in enough yet.
The more you crash it, the better it flies.
Okay. I don't think this is the day to start doing crazy stuff.
It's a little windy.
That one kind of scared me.
It's always hard to tell.
That was awesome. Oh, you bastard. That was a little
Dizzy.
close. That was a little close for comfort. Oh! Why are you so mean to Cessnas? You're so innocent. Oh jeez.
Wow, where are you going?
I fixed it! I made it! What was that?
I didn't think my plane could do that.
I didn't think my plane could do it either, but then it did it. Oh, that's awesome. I'm not exactly sure what happened there. A little throttle, a little wind, and then a terrible vertical stabilizer.
Looks like you were going straight up and turning.
Yeah, it was.
I don't think you could do that.
I was trying to run it over, and it wasn't working at all. It was just continuing to climb, just vertical, vertical.
Where'd the wind go?
I'll get you.
Oh.
Awesome. Oh god. Oh, landing!
Time to
Just
land.
like I planned. Don't do it.